What's up, guys? This is Jake here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add an audio effect that makes voices sound like it's coming from a telephone. This can be good if you have a scene for someone talking on a telephone, or voices coming from a radio. So let's get into it. So first, what you want to do is we're going to go to audio filters, and we want to find, we want to find a high pass filter. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So we want to add a high pass filter first. And what we want to do here is set the frequency value on the high frequency to 500, because with the way it works with telephones and things like that is that the audio is more constricted, and that's why it sounds the way it does. And we're good at 0.71 right here. And then what we want to do, funny enough, is add a low pass filter as well. So we want to find that right here. And then what we're going to do is set the low pass frequency to 2500. So now the sound sounds like it's coming from a radio. So if you could hear that.
All right, cut.
Thanks for watching, guys.